we are going to do poem Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda. In this poem, Pablo Neruda gives us a message that we all should do our best to make this earth a peaceful place to live in. In the beginning of the poem, the poet requests us, now we'll count to 12 and we'll all keep still. Means stop, no activity. Just for the time, the counting 1 to 12. Why does the poet ask us to count to 12? Because there are only 12 signs on the clock. Therefore, he asks us to remain silent for this much time only. And he asks us to stop activity and rush, because this activity and rush has brought only misfortune to the mankind. The poet then again asks us, tell us that for once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Not move our arms means stop not even a single part of our body should move. It will happen on this earth only for once. We won't even speak anything. We won't move any part of our body. The people of the world have been indulging in wars, bloodsheds, quarrels. They are not silent. Disputes everywhere, unrest, anxiety. And to face all these problems of the world, we are to know ourselves. We are to interact with ourselves. So, he requests us that we should stop for only the time in which we can count 1 to 12. It would make an exotic moment. Exotic means very strange. Without rush, there will be no rush of activities, no engine working. We would all be together in sudden strangeness. It will be a very strange moment when we all are doing only one activity, that is keeping quiet, keeping still, and interacting with our own self, introspecting, thinking what we have been doing. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and man gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. These are the two examples of persons. He asked fishermen to stop harming, to stop catching fish. And the salt gatherers should also stop gathering salt and look at their own hands, means look at what they have made of themselves, how they have injured themselves by gathering salts. Those who prepare green wars. What are green wars? War with nature, war with poison, wars with fire, victory with no survivors. Victory with no survivor means what? There will be no one living to enjoy the fruit of victory. Would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. Means all the people would live like brothers. They should put on clean clothes, means they should live peacefully, and walk with their brothers means walk leisurely, live like brothers. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Here the poet makes his point very clear, that he never means that we should all become inactive forever. It is only for a moment. Life is what it is about, because life is activity. I want no truck with death. No truck with death means no dealing with death. The poet is not talking about death. If we were not so single-minded here means selfish. We have been very selfish. We have been thinking about our own motives, our own benefits, about keeping our lives moving, means we only want that our life should move. and for once could do nothing. Only for once we should stop every activity. Perhaps a huge silence means there is no activity on even a single part of the earth. There will be complete silence on the surface of the earth. Might interrupt this sadness. This sadness means of never understanding ourselves. We are sad because we are unable to understand ourselves, our objectives, our motives of life, and with our unmindful activities, unthoughtful activities, we are challenging our own selves. We are inviting our own deaths. Perhaps the earth can teach us when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. It is a very beautiful line. The earth looks like an non-living object, but it helps to nourish life. All the living creatures, all the living organisms survive on this earth. So this earth is not non-living. It proves that it gives life to living creatures, vegetation, human beings, animals, birds. It is the habitat of every living organism, creature on the earth. So it is not non-living. It proves to be alive, means living object. Now I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet. In the first line, the poet said, let us we count up to 12. Now he says, I will count to 12 and you keep quiet. Means I am counting 1 to 12 and you keep only quiet and I will go. Now the message that the poet wants to give to the mankind, he has given it. And he asks us to keep quiet for a moment, think over this message that he has given to us. The present situation, these lockdowns, these anxieties all over the world, these problems, where have these come from? These all are the results of our own unmindful activities. We are encroaching about the life of other creatures. We are encroaching about the lives of other animals, birds, nature. So this is the result of our overactivities. We have been overactive. So now you might have understand what this poem is about. It tells us to just think and then start our activity again in a positive manner. We should stop everything that is negative in life and we restart again everything that is positive in life, that helps others and that has empathy. The feeling of empathy we should have always. Thank you, students.